Okay guys, so today's tutorial we are going to learn this beautiful stitch. This is a textured single crochet, half double crochet combo. Isn't it gorgeous? Wow, I just love this. It is so addicting. Trust me, once you learn this stitch, you are just going to be flying with it. You're going to love it so much. This skill level on this is considered easy. So that's another reason why you're going to love it. It's very easy, and like I said, very addicting. You can make blankets, scarves, you name it. There's all kinds of stuff. It's just endless. This is such a cool stitch. That's one side, and here's the other side. Look at that. All right, so I am just using a medium full weight yarn for this sample, and I'm using an H 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. Let's see, I said that the skill level is easy on this. So, let's go ahead and get started. When you get ready for the chain here, you need to chain a multiple of 3. So the way I start my chain is I put my hook underneath the yarn and I twist around it like that. And I grab my yarn and pull through the loop on my hook. That's one chain. So it's 1, grab your loop and pull through grab your yarn, pull through the loop on your hook. So that was 2, grab the yarn, pull through the loop on your hook. That's 3. So we're going to do a multiple of 3. So that means 3 and then 3 more. 1, 2, 3. However many sets of 3 that you want. 1, 2, 3. You just make it the size that you want for your project. So you keep doing 3 till you get the size you want. All right, I think that's probably, let's do another 3 more to show you guys. Okay, so when you get all the sets of 3s that you want, you will end this with adding 2 chains to it. 1, 2, to the very end. Okay, so this is going to be very simple. We're going to start with our foundation row. We're going to make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. There's the first chain from the hook. There's the second chain from the hook. And then we're going to make a single crochet in each remaining chain. It's that simple, guys. Okay, so there's 1, 2. 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So you insert your, I guess I need to show you how to do it in case you haven't done a chain before. Insert your hook in the second chain from the hook. Grab your yarn, pull through. 2 loops on the hook. Grab your yarn, pull through 2 loops. That's 1 single crochet. So insert your hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. Insert your hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. And you just keep repeating this all the way across. Just like this. I'm telling you guys, you're going to love this stitch, and there's so much you can do with this stitch. I'm even thinking about doing a table runner with it or a placemat. Or both. Like I said, this is your foundation row here. All right, we're coming down to the last chain. In this last chain, just make your single crochet. Okay, so we're going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and turn your work like this. Okay, so in this first single crochet right here, we're going to make a single crochet, a half double crochet, and then a double crochet in this first single crochet right here. Okay, so we're going to make a single crochet. A half double crochet is where you yarn over, insert your hook in that same stitch, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now we got to make a double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook in that same stitch, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So that was a double crochet. So we're going to skip the next 2 stitches, and in the 3rd stitch, we're going to repeat that. We're going to make a single crochet, so insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook. Now a half double crochet in that same stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now a double crochet in that same stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Skip the next 2 stitches, and in that 3rd stitch, you're going to repeat. Single crochet, so it's insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook in that same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So far you've got 1, 2, 3 sets. So skip the next 2 stitches, and in the 3rd stitch you're going to repeat that. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet, all in the same stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches. In the 3rd stitch, you're going to repeat that. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet. Skip the next 2 stitches, and now that we're on the end, we're just going to make a single crochet on the very end. Here's what you've got so far. Okay, so this next row, that was row 1. Row 2 is going to be your repeat row. So chain 2, and this is the row you're going to repeat throughout your entire project. So you're going to make a single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet, all in this very first stitch right there. Skip the next 2 stitches, and in the next single crochet you're going to make a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet, all in that single crochet stitch right there. Skip the next 2 stitches, and in the next stitch you're going to repeat it again. Single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. See how easy this is, guys? And it's so addicting. You're going to love this. Next 2 stitches, and in the 3rd stitch, which is your single crochet stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet. There we go. Skip the next 2 stitches, and in the 3rd, a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. Skip the next 2 stitches, and in your last stitch here, you're going to make a single crochet. And that was your row 2. Remember, row 2 is your repeat row. So chain 2, and you're going to work in that first single crochet stitch right there. So you're going to make a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. And you're going to keep repeating that. Skip the next 2 stitches, and in the next stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. Skip the next 2 stitches. In the 3rd stitch, a single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet. Okay, skip the next 2 stitches, and in the 3rd stitch, a single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet. Are you falling in love with this stitch yet? Well, I'm sure you have. It's a fun stitch. I absolutely love this stitch. Okay, so now we're at the end. Skip the next 2 stitches, and in this last stitch here, you're going to make a single crochet. And that's it, guys. You just keep repeating that over and over. And it's just, you're just going to love it. All right, guys, that's it. This is considered an easy one. You can do it. And I hope you fall in love with this stitch as much as I have, because I think you're going to end up making tons of things with it. All right, guys, that's all that I have for this video. If you make anything in this, please post this in my Facebook group page. I would love to see it. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.